So my name is Josh Goetz. I got a degree in mechanical engineering, bachelor's and master's at Utah State University. Currently, I am working at a company called Anduril. I work as a flight sciences engineer is my current job role. So I get to do a lot of flight simulation, aerodynamic design and analysis, flight data analysis, flight testing, actually flying the aircraft. My favorite part about the work that I do is that I get to actually work on things that actually fly. It's very fulfilling to be part of that chain from start to finish instead of just being one single tiny link in the chain. I feel like when I finished up my bachelor's degree, I had like a general understanding of kind of all things mechanical engineering, from statics, dynamics, material science, some electrical engineering, but it was all very, very broad and general. Going into my graduate degree, my master's, I was able to take more classes specifically focused on the realm of aerodynamics and aerospace engineering. And then further through my research, actually dive in and gain experience in independently seeking after an objective, researching something, developing my own tools. Doing my graduate degree really gave me both the knowledge and the skills that I needed to step straight into the job that I have now and hit the ground running in that respect. If I just had a bachelor's, I probably, again, would have ended up as a single link in a chain, just doing one thing, one performance analysis day in and day out. And financially, I had everything that I needed. I got most of my money by working full time during the summers. And then during semesters, I would either have a job as a TA or working as a graduate research assistant with Dr. Hunsaker, which gave me a little bit of a stipend there. And so I did have enough to get by financially, so that was never a concern. I basically treated my graduate research as a part-time job and school as a part-time job. So I was spending about 20 hours a week probably between going to classes and doing homework for those classes, and then another 20 hours a week working on my graduate degree. And so that was mixed between actually developing the code and the methods for my thesis and actually writing my thesis like I was just speaking to. And so all told, my work-life balance was great. I still got to leave the lab at 4 in the afternoon and go back to my apartment and hang out with my friends. And it's not like it consumes your life or anything. Probably the main challenges that I had was just, in the process of working on my thesis, developing the analysis tools that I was working on. I spent a lot of days in front of a whiteboard, just writing equations down and staring at them and figuring out what needed to match where. I would say that at the end of the day, I would not use the tool that I developed for my master's thesis. I don't trust it. But the most important thing that I gained from that was, again, the skills and the experience. I gained the experience of encountering a problem, independently searching for a solution, coming up with something new and applying it in a way that gave results. If I could give any advice, it'd probably be that, don't wait till the very end to cram things in the last semester. There's a lot you can do if you just start writing things early. And it's always easier to rewrite something than it is to write something from scratch. So if you can just put anything down on paper in the beginning, it'll be super easy to go back and just rewrite through all the things that you need to fix, and then you'll be good to graduate with ease.